Wando. My video artists, B-boys, the beatboxers, MCs and DJs who be proper.
Yo, what's up world? I go by DJ Unown. I'm from Washington, D.C., by way of Philadelphia now. Just performing at Crate Diggers. Crew tape's getting ready, come on inside. So
how long you gonna be out here?
Alright yo, thanks for coming out yo. Highly appreciate everybody that came out. So what do we want to know? Just name?
Yeah, just where you're from, and you know,
right.
yeah, because I'm from South Africa, you know.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice,
so I
nice.
do this. I have this channel out there, like MasterChef Toast TV. So I
Okay.
like what you did there. So if you could just tell us, it's my first time actually here, you know.
For sure, for sure. Yo, what's up world? I go by DJ Unown. I'm from Washington, D.C., by way of Philadelphia now. Just performing at Crate Diggers. Shout out to Bob for having me up here. You can find my stuff at Unown DC, UNOWN DC. When I'm not producing, I'm MCing. When I'm not MCing, I'm DJing. When I'm not DJing, I'm also playing the MPC live in Odyssey's band Good Company. So check me out at Unown DC on any social media platform. Peace.
Alright, we appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man.
Alright, shit stuff.
MCs and DJs who keep it proper. The cost to living now and those and it don't stop. 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 And it don't stop.